What is jury nullification and how does it work? Imagine sitting in a courtroom and hearing the evidence against someone, but feeling that the law or the case itself isn't fair. That's where jury nullification comes into play. It's a power that allows a jury to say not guilty, even if the evidence shows the person broke the law. This happens when jurors believe the law is unjust, the punishment is too harsh, or applying the law in this case would be unfair. So, even if the defendant technically committed the crime, the jury can choose to ignore that and deliver a verdict of not guilty. In the legal system, juries are supposed to decide guilt or innocence based on the evidence and the judge's instructions about the law. But jury nullification gives jurors the ability to act according to their conscience or sense of justice. They can override the strict application of the law if they feel it's wrong in that particular situation. This power is not officially recognized or encouraged by courts, and judges often don't tell jurors about it. Still, jurors can't be punished for their verdicts, and once someone is found not guilty, they cannot be tried again for the same crime. This is called the protection against double jeopardy. Historically, jury nullification has been used when laws were seen as unfair or unjust. For example, juries have refused to convict people for helping slaves escape, opposing alcohol bans during Prohibition, or resisting penalties for draft evasion during the Vietnam War. It shows that juries can serve as a check on laws that might be wrong or wrongly applied. Knowing your rights in this context is important because it highlights that the jury's decision isn't just about the evidence but also about community values and fairness. Jurors have a voice to prevent unjust convictions, even if the legal instructions suggest otherwise. This can be especially relevant in cases where the law is controversial or the consequences of a guilty verdict seem too severe. In essence, jury nullification is the ability of a jury to acquit someone despite evidence of guilt, based on their judgment about whether the law or its application is fair. It's an informal but real part of the justice process that reminds us the jury system includes human judgment and community standards. It's a way for ordinary citizens to influence justice and protect individual rights when they believe the law is not serving true fairness.